No, no, no. It is. No. Don't use soap for your toothbrush, honey.
Why are you doing it?
Just to what? Brush your teeth?
So you can tell my teeth so.
No, I'm not telling you, teacher. Camilla, are you part of the lipstick crew, girls?
No.
Okay, brush your teeth.
I want to rinse it.
Oh. Thank you. Brush your teeth. Well, you can't drink milk when you're going to brush your teeth.
I want milk.
Okay, well, today's the 14th, honey. Okay, well, let's go drink your milk and then we'll come back, okay? Come on, let's go.